Hi and welcome to Ocean AI. In this video I'm going to have a look at the gold, silver and oil markets going into this next week ahead. Firstly, with the gold here, we've got the all-time high here back in March. And we're working up towards the 382 at 1829. Couple of ways we can get there. We've had, last week we had the 61.8% here from this previous high at 1878. We had a nice three drive into that level, and then we started selling off. We had a pullback, started selling off, and then we had a trade in here at 1793 on Friday. Started off all right, so I thought we were going to head down and sort of get down towards 1770 or even 1760 here. But then last thing on Friday we reversed and went higher. So just had a small loss on that one. But where are we going to go now? So we've got up here, we've got the 78% from this last high here. And we've also got the ABCD pattern, which is just in here as well. We've got this ABCD. Go down to a 15-minute. We can have a good look at it. So problem we have here is this move here seems to be in three waves, so an ABC format. So with that there means that we're either going to, that's a correction over, and we're going to go to higher prices, or else we're going to get an A here, and then an ABC back to here for a B wave, and then one more move down here, down towards 1780 or lower, down towards 1760. So come Monday morning, we want to watch this area. Because if it stops here and starts heading lower, we'll probably be looking for a short trade. So we get up here Monday morning and it starts down sort of 5 or 6 points. Just look for a little retracement like that. Something back into 1800 would be good. 1800 being, well, 8 being a fib number. So that 1800 will be sort of like the line in the sand. If we go down below it and then becomes resistance, then we could be heading lower. So keep an eye out for the gold on Monday morning. If we get above that, take out this high here, then we're likely to go up towards 1820 to 1830. And that'll give us something like this. This ABCD will take us up to 1826 there. That'll give us this one and just another leg higher. That one there. So we get up above 1808, then we'll be looking for this level up here. Otherwise, if we start to drop a bit from here, then we're looking for a sell to go down to either 1780 or even possibly lower. It could even get down as low as the 50 to 60% here. Probably no, won't get above that high, below that high there. If we go below that high, then it's likely to be bearish. So ideal setup would be down to the 382 here. If we can get this move down to here would be nice, and then look for a buy on that to go up and take out those highs, and potentially even go higher to all-time highs. So a couple of things to watch for the gold this week. It'd be good to watch early on. If we go over to the silver. Silver, we'll go to the 4 hour. So we had that low last month. Looking there with that big pattern there. That big Gartley. And now we're pushing higher. It's, running quite nice at the moment. So what we might be in for would be a 3 drive, similar to what we had in the gold. So that would take us from here, that high down to there, and that would take us up to the 382, up to 2150. And then we'd probably look for a pullback from that. Say, for example, that's where we went to. So we're looking for a pullback back to 20 being the big whole, the whole number. So if we can get back down there, one of those patterns we look for. So say we come up here, then we get a nice ABCD down to here. That'll be the place to have a look for on the long side for the next move up. Similar to the gold. The gold's going to be bullish as well. Looking for that move down and then going from there. So if you want to go into a smaller time frame here, you probably look for a little pullback here to go long, just on the intraday sort of stuff. Let's move that out of the way. So if we could get come Monday morning, get a little retracement back into sort of 2050 to 2060, back into this area, something like that, so with that pattern, that ABCD pattern back into that. Then we can look for trading that move up, and then possibly looking to reverse and go short, or seeing how it goes, all depending on how this goes. It might go up first in the morning, go up a bit higher, take out this high, and then drop. So wherever this high comes in, then we can get a pattern back down. That'll be the way to go with the silver. If we go over to the oil market now. So oil's been had a lot of fun with it. Some big moves. We entered over here on this one. This pullback here, I thought we were going to get the next leg up, but that went straight through, stopped us out. So that was no good. But we're sitting in a interesting spot now. Where we are now, we've had the pullback into the 50 to 60% area after this big run. Now we've had a little rally with go into a 3 minute, we'll just see a bit. So we've had a rally and we've had that ABCD back. So we've got our Garley pattern here to buy. So we go from this one down to there, down to there, up to there, down to the 78% here. So really come Monday morning, we'll be wanting to look for something, look for a long trade. Obviously if it gaps down here or gaps up here, then you'll have to wait for a pullback or something. But if it opens here, it'll be good to see where it goes, because we're set up here to go higher. We've had that first pullback. So yeah, need to look for a long trade, but if it gaps down, goes down below here or even down this low, then we're likely to be going a lot further down, something down towards 89 down here with a deeper correction, and then maybe a buy. But as it stands now, looks good for a long trade. Just got to wait to see how it opens on Monday. Don't just place an order, market order, just to buy it on the open, just in case something happens overnight and we get gaps either way. Best thing to do, wait to see what happens in the first hour. Yeah, if we get a move up, buy the first pullback, or if it starts going lower, taking out these lows, then don't worry about it and look for something else. Yeah, so that's the gold, silver, and the oil going into next week. Yeah, I'll post a few more videos shortly, and we'll see what we can find come Monday. All right, I hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.